National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Eastland County in north-central Texas until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cisco, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eastland, Cisco, Ranger, Gorman, Lake Cisco, Lake Olden, Lake Leon, Pleasant Hill, Carbon, Staff, Nimrod, Kokomo, Oka, Morton Valley, Scranton, Olden, and Desdemona. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 324 and 363. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.